just going crazy, keeps hearing Bambolunye crying. Zandile is worried about him and tells Vacu so they need to get an antidote. Reverse the concoction. Vacu refuses, saying that this was his plan all along and threatens Zandi not to tell anyone about it. Your brother Rebecca is like he's coming with a past that Rebecca does not want to revisit. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita, the enemy. Zandile is worried about Umbuso. Umbuso is now seeing things, hearing voices kabambo, saying umfana uyakhala ubambo. And tells Uvacu ukuthi hayi man, ngikhathazekile ngombuso. The things he's doing, it's like he's going crazy, he's going insane. And but Uvacu insists ukuthi she must continue giving him the concoction because ngiyo le seed. But Zandile is like, no man, I'm sick. The concoction is like this concoction is the one that's making him sick. So we need to get an antidote. Reverse the concoction so that he can be well again. And then Umbuso, it gets worse. Umbuso now keeps hearing a baby mntwana ekhala and then asks the security ukuthi how uyava yini umntwana ekhala. The security is like, hayi mina ngiva lutho ngwenya. I can't hear anything. Akunabambo lokhalako la. And then he decides to go and see Inyanga to ask him ukuthi ahlole usahlele kwenzakalani because he's not understanding the things he's seeing, the things he's hearing. So Inyanga yacheck ke kuthola ukuthi hayi man, there's a dark cloud kwaNgwenya emndenini. Umndeni wonke was going to die of cancer. Athuke umbuso ukuthi is this man made khona umuntu lento lo yendile lento ngamabomu. And umbuso now is worried. Goes home, attacks Zandile ukuthi wena where is my son? Uphi ubambo? Uphi mfanami? Zandile is shocked ukuthi hayi uyaphi lento. She starts shaking her. Khuluma man, damn it. Where is Bambo? Uphi mfanami? Where is my son? Zandile uthi hawu ubambo washona muthi. Ubambo passed away. Hi atisuka la, he does not get it. Sees like sort of sees ngathi ubambo uhleli phansi esitulini or on that table, picks up umoya ke talking to it, saying ubaba ukhona la. What? Zandile is now worried. She's like extremely worried now ukuthi umbuso soyagula, uhlangana ingcondo. Meets up with Vacu, uyamtshela ukuthi hayi man, umbuso uyagula wena, we need to help him, we need to get i-antidote kwade kumsida. Vacu uthi hayi relax wena, hlala nje unesedeke, this lento lentekala it's what I actually planned. Mekele nje lento itosebenta and he's going to lose his mind bit by bit. Zandile realizes ukuthi uVacu umuntu esilima. So this was your plan all along, you lied to me. Zandile, you know what, I need to go see le nyanga, kufuna ngenyangeni. As don't you dare do that. You had to get and threatens her not to tell anyone about this whole thing. Rebecca Ujafta shows up at the house, calls Rebecca and Tom. You can just see the situation is tense, man. Good tense line Lini. I don't know what the history is between them. And Unkunz was not happy. Unkunz was acting like a jealous boyfriend, going on about how come I didn't know you have a how is Unkunz Rebecca's boyfriend? What's happening? Because the way he acted is like umuntu Rebecca, and all this time I thought it's just a bodyguard. And then Rebecca went all out, prepared breakfast for brother Wake. Unkunz is even saying, you've never even prepared breakfast for me. Hi, Rebecca tell you when Hambo Washimoto gives him the keys. Again. Then they start talking. Putwake calls Rebecca Ntombi. Rebecca doesn't seem to like that name. She said, I don't like that name at all. Ntombi wafa kuqala. Ntombi died a long time ago. Every time Mangshaya used to call me with that name. So I wonder who is this person that used to beat her up. It's like this brother is awakening a past that Rebecca doesn't want to revisit. Because who is this person that Rebecca is saying that he used to beat her up and call her with this name? So like is it possible that Rebecca is the way she is because of childhood trauma yake? Because this woman is heartlessly. And then the brother also says that, remember what we did 20 years ago. Seems like there's a whole lot of history. And brother is from prison. Okay? He was supposed to be there for 5 years, but he says he's out because of good behavior. So there's a lot going on. Mom Nomsa thinks that he's missing Ujafta because he can't see him anywhere. She's gonna throw a fit when she realizes the same Jafta is Rebecca's brother and he's from prison. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.